The title of this mini podcast is The Thumb That's Holding You Down Has Your Fingerprint. You know that feeling like someone's got their thumb on you? Here's the twist. That thumb may actually be your own. We spend so much time pointing fingers, blaming others when things go wrong. It's a global sport, but blame is just a trick of the mind. It gives us a little relief, but nothing really changes. We're still stuck. Remember that old Rolling Stone song, Under My Thumb? It's all about one person gaining control over another. Catchy tune, but the bigger idea it taps into is this illusion that we all chase, control. When life's going our way, we say we're in control. When it's not, we say someone else is. But really, life is like the tide. It moves with or without our permission. We can try to predict it, even prepare, but we can't stop an unexpected storm. That feeling of being out of control, it scares the bejesus out of us. So our mind steps in, selling us the lie that control will save us. The ego creates the fear, and then sells us the fix. It's a business model designed to keep us dependent. Here's the hard truth. Control is the ego's thumb pressing down on us. It's not real power. It's like willpower's flimsy cousin. Both always lose in the end. Freedom comes when we stop pretending anyone has control, especially us. That realization levels the playing field. We stop fighting life and start flowing with it. That's when things start to open up, not because we're in control, but because we're finally cooperating with reality. Trying to control the wind? That's a bad hair day waiting to happen. But learning to harness it? That's where real power lives. Oh, and if you like this mini podcast, be sure to give it a thumbs up. All the best, John.